For anyone confronting the question, am I positive? A positive outcome is the last thing anyone expects. But our work for GSK communicated that you can live a positive life with HIV. Living positive became our mantra, compelling positive behavior as well as positive response from the healthcare industry and the community. Missing from the marketplace were promotional materials that dealt honestly with the challenges of this special community. Our work changed all that. In simple, direct language, we debunked myths. With honest, everyday imagery, we allowed patients to see themselves as they actually are. With this simple, honest approach, we made HIV more approachable and a positive result more livable for patients and physicians alike. Our work with Magic Johnson and Combivir won more than 48 individual creative awards, including an award for being one of the top 10 DTC campaigns of the last 10 years. This work was not just magic at the award show. It achieved staggering results in the marketplace, driving unaided brand awareness from 8% to 32%, and, more impressively, exceeding $470 million in sales in a very competitive and maturing market.
For Trizavir, the results were just as positive. In year 1, sales exceeded forecast. For patients, this meant that they had finally connected with a treatment that connected with their complex lives. Once again, the imagery we used propelled these patients to the forefront of the physician's mind and allowed for meaningful dialogue. Certainly, this dialogue was a catalyst for sales representatives, but it was most beneficial for patients and their physicians. Lexiva carries the burden of being a protease inhibitor. It's not that being a PI is bad, it's just that so much else depends upon its effectiveness that the wrong choice for a patient can have a compounding negative effect. To positively position Lexiva, the Paleo team once again brought honest imagery and real-life patient portrayal to the forefront. Utilizing a campaign approach that underscores the many ways the world depends on people living and working with HIV, we successfully positioned Lexiva as a PI of choice. To further support living a positive life, Lexiva supported the Gay Games. Our objective here was to portray the brand in a positive supporting role. The result of our efforts? Lexiva took a positive podium position in the lives of those living with HIV.
As the marketplace matures, the uniqueness of a product like Epsicom is being challenged. With its well-understood profile, Epsicom's renal safety is never a question. Patient survival is the greatest reward of all, and for patients living with HIV, renal complication can become an undermining consequence. This campaign not only won much praise at the award shows, it has also won great praise from the community living with HIV by elegantly bringing this issue to the public, driving awareness of the condition, and ultimately reinforcing GSK's commitment to better outcomes for their patients.